Dyson Ball Animal has the strongest suction of any vacuum. Its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adjusts to seal in suction across all floor types. And its brush bar digs deep into carpets to remove more dirt. Radial root cyclone technology helps remove dust, dirt and allergens from your home. And with whole machine HEPA filtration, no other vacuum expels cleaner air. It rides on a ball, which means it steers smoothly, turns on the spot with a simple twist of the wrist and cleans along edges with ease. With a wand and hose that release in one action, the Dyson Ball Animal is easy to use for cleaning up high, and extra tools clean dirt and hair from awkward places. Dyson vacuums are tested under extreme conditions and are engineered to last 10 years.
The Kenmore Elite pet-friendly crossover canister is a powerful, versatile vacuum designed to clean your entire home, from floor to ceiling and those hard-to-reach spaces in between. Its dual motor system creates a powerful suction to tackle your toughest household messes. Plus, a swivel design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. An infrared dirt sensor sees dirt that you don't by activating an LED that lets you know when the floors are clean. The crossover handle allows you to easily switch from carpet to hardwood in seconds. The telescoping wand and onboard attachments mean you always have the right tool.
DC39 has radial root cyclone technology with remodeled airways to maximize suction and reduce turbulence and noise. It captures more dirt and microscopic dust than any other cyclone. Conventional wheeled vacuum cleaners can be awkward, heavy to pull, head the wrong way, and unexpectedly collide with obstacles. DC39 has ball technology, which means that it steers smoothly and turns on a dime. It's the only canister vacuum cleaner with a central steering mechanism for greater control. Dyson engineers carefully design the machine's key components to fit inside the ball, creating a low center of gravity and increasing stability. DC39 comes with the trigger head tool, the only turbine head with a brush bar activated at the handle, so no bending down is required. And when you're finished, it's easy to empty.
Your kitchen is the center point of your home, so your hard floors are often full of life's little messes. Having a more efficient and convenient cleaning tool leaves you more time to do the things you love. The Hard Floor Expert Deluxe from Bissell is designed to be gentle on your hard floors, but tough on dirt and debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe features a turbine hard floor dusting tool designed with soft bristles to safely pick up dirt and fine debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe maximizes cleaning with powerful suction, but with its non-marring wheels, you can clean without scratches, scuffs, or marks, leaving your floors looking their best. For the more delicate surfaces in your home, Hard Floor Expert Deluxe is equipped with variable suction, so with a touch of the fingertip controls, you can quickly and conveniently adjust your cleaning power. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe has been engineered with the features that matter, so you can maximize the cleaning of the hard floors you love in one compact, easily storable unit. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe, designed with your home in mind.